Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some bacon wrapped country style pork ribs on the Char Griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this one out. Lay them all out on your board. They're plenty wet enough. If you want to hit it with mustard, go ahead. These guys are just fine. I'm gonna hit it up with Uncle Steve's Sweet Spicy R. Hit all sides. Easy to do. Roll it around and all that goodness. Oh, just want to get all your sides. Then let it sweat in a little bit. If you can't find these country style pork ribs, just get a small pork butt, slice it up, cut it up in slices like this. Then you're gonna wrap them in bacon. Pull your bacon out about 45 minutes before you do this. Makes it so much easier to wrap. Then you're gonna hit up with some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb, and then you're gonna get your grill set up while that's resting, and then you're gonna pop it in at 275. Just a light dusting, a little heavy on that first one, don't worry about it. Nobody cried over a little bit extra smoke bomb. You're gonna be hitting these with barbecue sauce as well. These are gonna be flavor bombs. Let that sweat in. Let's get this Char Griller 980 up to temp. Oh hell yeah. I'm using cherry wood in the bottom, apple in the hopper, and we just layered it. About 3 layers of charcoal. Throw in some wood chunks and then fill up the rest of the hopper. Then in the bottom, a couple chunks of big, thick cherry wood. Oh hell yeah, kick that to the left and you're good to go. Let's light it up. So get your country style pork ribs up on a wire rack. That way you're not making a huge mess because you're gonna have a pan underneath it. Oh hell yeah. 275. It'll kick up a little bit higher and then come right back down. That's how the 980 usually rolls. Check it, maybe in about an hour. Now you're going from 145 internal, baste it with a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce. About an extra 10 minutes from there, pull it, let it rest 5 minutes or so. So around the hour mark, you're gonna rotate your ribs around so you get the color that you desire on all sides. So about an hour is when I started to rotate them around, and then 20 minutes later I probed them and we hit 149. So we're ready to sauce and then pull them out, let them rest after about 10 minutes in the chamber, and then we'll pull them out, let them rest. Oh hell yeah. And this is what you save from cleaning out of your grill. Oh, don't go drinking it now. Let's cut into one of these bad boys. Bacon wrapped honey habanero country style pork rib. Oh. Oh yeah. Give me a hell yeah. Dripping with goodness. Oh hell yeah. Damn. Smells amazing. I said give me a hell yeah. Man, if you want to change up from ribs, this is the way to do it. Boneless, country style pork ribs. Oh hell yeah. The honey habanero sauce is rocking. You guys got to give this one a try. Oh yeah, doesn't get much better than that. Bacon wrapped country style pork ribs. Oh hell yeah. I said give me a hell yeah. Sons of Anarchy, have a ride. You let them know, boy. Let them know you're in town. Yeah. Get out of here, fly. Piece of trash. They're gonna do that. Uncle Steve's Stone Cold Shake. Oh, well, yeah.